Nobody warned you this was happening. One day you were just a kid. The next, you were reading the room, swallowing your tears, and quietly becoming whoever everyone else needed you to be. Maybe it was addiction in your home. Maybe it was rage. Maybe just the hollow silence of a parent who had nothing left to give. But you felt it. And without words, something clicked. If I fall apart, everything falls apart. So you became Zmezel, so everyone else could feel big and the world rewarded you for it. You're so mature. You're so responsible. You're so strong. But those were never compliments. That was a child being handed a job they never applied for. Psychologists call it parentification. It's when a child becomes the caregiver, the fixer, the emotional manager of a home that should have been managing them. And it doesn't just hurt, it rewires you. Your brain shifts into permanent alert mode, always scanning, always preparing for the next storm. You learned that your needs were inconvenient. That love was something you earned by being useful, not something you deserved just by existing. So a polished, capable version of you showed up. That version got praised, that version got love, and the real you, the scared kid underneath, learned to stay very, very quiet. But here's what nobody tells you. That child didn't disappear. They're still in there. And they've been running your adult life this whole time. That's why rest makes you feel guilty. That's why someone being kind to you feels suspicious. That's why you can carry everyone else's pain, but completely break when someone simply asks, "How are you really doing?" That's not a personality trait. That's a nervous system trained in chaos that never got the memo. The danger is over. Look at your adult life honestly right now. You're everyone's therapist, but never share what's happening inside you. You give endlessly in relationships, then feel empty and resentful. You can't say no without feeling like you've done something wrong, and somewhere deep inside, there's a quiet, exhausting wish. 5. That someone would see past the strong act, that someone would notice you're not okay. That wish isn't your adult self talking. That's the child you left behind, and here's the truth that changes everything. No one is coming to rescue that child. Not a partner, not success, not staying busy enough to forget. The only person who can go back and hold that child's hand is you. Sit with your younger self. Say what nobody said back then. You didn't deserve that. It was never your job. You were just a child, and you get to rest now. That is where healing begins. Not performing, not fixing, just finally turning toward the part of you that was abandoned and saying, "I see you. I'm not leaving." Your childhood may have taught you that love costs something, that safety never lasts, that the moment you relax, something goes wrong. But you are not that child anymore. You never got a childhood, but you still have a future. And this time, you get to build it on your terms, not from fear, not from proving your worth through exhaustion, from truth, from rest, from finally letting yourself just be human. Go back for that child. They've been waiting. Subscribe for more. There's so much more to unpack together.